Web 2.0 tools, blogs, wikis, pedagogy, and social learning. This session aims to introduce Web 2.0 characteristics and applications, describe blogs and wikis and the differences between the two, become familiar with the type of blog and wiki activities for student performance assessment, and create awareness of other methods of using blog and wikis to organize a course. How many of you have heard of the term Web 2.0? How might you describe it? Some describe it as the next generation of websites geared towards the end user, customization, participation, and interaction. Instead of just rating and finding content, in example Web 1.0, the power to share content amongst users has significantly changed. Enhancement of social networking and learning experiences, and also a social phenomenon referring to an approach to creating and distributing web content itself, characterized by open communication, decentralization of authority, freedom to share and reuse, and also termed as the market as a conversation. What are some of the tools associated with Web 2.0? There are weblogs or blogs, wikis, podcasts, RSS feeds, open source software such as iGoogle, OpenOffice.org, Mozilla Firefox, social networking sites such as Flickr, MySpace, and Facebook, and can you think of any others? In what ways has and will Web 2.0 impact education? In this chart, you see conventional instruction versus reformed instruction, teacher-directed versus student exploration, didactic teaching versus interactive modes of instruction, short blocks of instruction on a single subject versus extended blocks of authentic and multidisciplinary work, single media versus multimedia, individual work versus collaborative work, teacher as a knowledge dispenser versus the teacher as a facilitator, assessment of fact knowledge and discrete skills versus performance-based assessment. We see in today's courses and classes that many times teachers use a combination of both conventional instruction and reformed instruction. So what is a blog? A blog is also known as a weblog. It is typically maintained by an individual for personal expression of opinions, experiences, points of view, facts, and it's journalistic in nature. It is primarily textual, but can also include art as an art log, photographs, photoblog, sketches, called a sketch blog, videos, called a vlog, music, MP3 blog, and audio podcasting. It is chronological in nature. And as of December 2007, blog search engine Technorati was tracking more than 112 million blogs. So what is a wiki? A wiki, broadly, is a collection of web pages that can be edited by anyone at any time from anywhere. Literally, it means quick in Hawaiian, or real time. It is a people-centered tool of collaboration. And wikis use simplified, stripped-down version of hypertext markup language, HTML, which also makes it very easy for those who are less technically inclined to use a wiki to collaborate. What are some of the differences between blogs and wikis? Well, blogs are more structured, where wikis are considered more flexible. Blogs are more chronological, where wikis can be organized by many different methods. Blogs cannot be edited by anyone else, and wikis can be edited by anyone. Blogs by nature tend to be highly personal, whereas wikis tend to be more highly collaborative and can be used in more of a group setting. So as a facilitator of a course using wikis and blogs in a classroom to encourage social learning, it is significant to be communicative and provide significant feedback to your students who are using the blogs or the wikis. It's also important to be involved. Create your own blog, have your own wiki, update it often, include information that the students would need for the class to be successful. Provide adequate directions and the appropriate resources. And provide guidelines, not just strict rules and patterns of usage. This is a creative tool. Less is more. Try not to use too many assignments that may, with the blogs and wikis. So motivation may decrease when there are too many assignments that are blog or wiki based. And encourage peer review as part of the overall process for community building purposes. So some ideas of some sound assessments in using blogs and wikis to assess student performance may be portfolios, e-portfolios or multimedia. Blogs and wikis can also be used as written assignments with some criteria attached. Wikis, any class or group team project. Blogs, again, can be more journalistic. What are some of your ideas? And finally, here are some additional resources of Web 2.0 tools, discussion of Web 2.0, discussion of wikis, some research that has been done with wikis and blogs, and how other facilitators have used these tools in their courses. Feel free to visit any time. Thank you very much.